What's up to YouTube? Welcome to Wednesday's daily Innistrad pack opening. Today we have is it a blood gift demon? I'm sorry if I messed up that name. I should look these up before I do that. Alright. Here we go. Let's get something cool. Alright. And today we start off with a Blood Crazed Neonate. Kinda like the Stormkirk Noble. It starts off at 2/1 and gets +1/+1 every time you do damage. Direct damage to a player. That's always cool. It's very quick, especially if you catch someone who doesn't really have a 2 or 3 drop, and this thing gets kind of big pretty quick. Yep. And the rest of the uncommons are... Oh, dang it, I say uncommons all the time, don't I? The rest of the commons are Silver Chase Fox, Curse of the Bloody Tome, Cobbled Wings, Nightbird's Clutches, Ambush Viper, Dream Twist. The art on this is pretty cool. Stormkirk Patrol, Night Revelers. Oh, and now we are at the uncommons. We have a Boneyard Worm. This is pretty cool. Second, yeah, I really don't have much to say about this one. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Second uncommon is Memory's Journey. Cool. And the final uncommon is a Hallowhenge Scavenger. Excuse me. Okay. And the rare for today. Oh, something cool. Something cool. It's blue. It's a blue spell. Blue spell. I don't know many blue spells. It's called Rooftop Storm. I think this is my first one. I'm not sure. Very cool. With a lot of blue zombies. This is pretty nice later on in the game. Yeah, I kind of want to make a black-blue zombie deck. That sounds like a lot of fun. And this card, I guess, kind of helps reduce the mana cost for all of them. Okay. And the token card. Oh, we just have an advertisement today. Should be the checklist placeholder. Yep. Throw that on the side. And today's double-sided card is Black 2/2. Oh, is that the bat? Screeching Bat, that's what it's called. Nice. A very cool vampire. Screeching Bat, that's what it looks like. This is what it does. Beginning of your upkeep, pay 2 and 2 black. If you do, you may transform into a stalking vampire. And then you can transform it back. Yeah. The only thing I can think of that you would want to transform it back is for the flying. Because you lose out on what? 3 extra damage? So, I don't know. Pretty cool. Nice. Quick recap. We had a Hallowhenge Scavenger, a Memory's Journey, Boneyard Worm, a double-faced card, a Screeching Bat, Stalking Vampire, and a Rooftop Storm. Added to the mini pile. And yeah, that's about it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.